Hello, today I will show you how to pair your Xiaomi Huami Amazfit Bip watch with an Android phone. So first, let's start our watch, and as you can see, you have this phone and watch icon. It means the watch is searching for a phone that has an application saved on it. It must be the Mi Fit application, just like this one we have here. So download it on your phone and open it. Once you log in to your Mi account, you have to have one set up. You will be met with this, and here you have no paired devices. Select this option and it will allow you to select what do you want to pair. Of course, we have a watch, so we choose watch, and the phone will show you what data will be collected once you pair. Now you can select your watch. Here is the Amazfit Bip, that's the one we have. And okay, we now need to allow the device to search for our location and search for the watch. Now the watch should find our phone and be connected. This process doesn't take long, and as you can see, the watch found our phone. Let's select that we agree by pressing this green button, and just like that we are now paired with our phone. This means that once we wear the watch and the phone is near us, it will be sending all data like notifications, steps taken, and all other things. You can search everything here in your Amazfit Bip Mi Fit application. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.